Welcome back, beautiful friends. You are in the right place. If you're ready to create your first publication in Substack, yay! All right, this is step 2 in our Substack Starter Checklist, setting up the basics. Let's get started. All right, so you've logged back in and maybe you're on your homepage. So remember, we just click on Dashboard and we get back to our Publisher dashboard. And we're going to see Set Up the Basics. Click on that. And right there, we have our publication name and a place for a short description. We are keeping it easy. We're going fast. We're keeping it easy, making it simple on ourselves. Just going to use your name. This is a fun newsletter. Just a short description. We can change the logo. We can change any of this later. So we're just going to click on Done. We are not going to connect Stripe right now. We're going to worry about subscriptions later. So skip. Not setting up subscribers yet. So click Done. And there we go. We could get a link to it. We are not going to create a post yet. That's another step. And we have finished creating our first publication. It's that simple. Now, if you're like me, you do like to have a name that fits you from the beginning. So I'm going to show you how, with the prompt that I have in our starter checklist, you can use that to help you come up with a great name. You can go to any LLM, any AI that you want. I happen to be in ChatGPT. You can copy this prompt that, again, is in the checklist and click on Enter. Here's what I got back to start. You might not see the exact same thing. That's actually a nice thing about AI, but you're going to see something like this. So let's go ahead and I'll answer these questions for myself. So I'll hit Enter and see what it tells me. All right, looking through the names, I think about AI Unplugged. I'm getting some positive feedback about I kind of like AI Unplugged, so I'm going to ask for a description. I got several. I think I'm going to choose Demystifying AI. So I will copy that. Now, we're going to go back into our Substack. And I told you we can change this, and we can. So on your dashboard, go on the left side, go to Settings, and then we're going to scroll down and look for publication details. Now, as we go through, you might say, look, I don't see anything that says publication details. April, why? Where is it? Okay, what we do is we do look for publication theme. A lot of times, by default, it starts out on a match your profile, and we want to do a custom theme. So we change it to custom theme. Now we see our basics, and we see our publication name with our name. I'm going to change that to AI Unplugged. I'm going to add my short description. And I'm going to save it. So from settings, we go back arrow here. Now we can get to our website. And it says AI Unplugged. There we go. We got it. Now, if we want to check this off our list, go to Dashboard, click on Set Up the Basics. It wasn't checked off, I believe, because we have the logo there. We don't need it. We've done what we needed to do. But you can create something simple, use any picture you want. I went back to AI, asked it to create a simple logo for me, and I downloaded that because I liked it well enough. I'm going to upload that image and click on Done. Finish all of that. You'll see that Set Up the Basics was completed. So that's what it's looking for to have that checked off. Here's a quick look at step 2 from the Substack Starter Checklist. the step that we covered today. We did it. We created our first publication. If you want the complete checklist, you can find the link to it in the description below. Okay, friends, keep it simple, keep it clear. See you next time.